Load your family into the 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, front and rear air conditioning, adjustable pedals, and a split-folding rear seat. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.